Hey YouTube, it's Habs Collector 13. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be opening the brand new, just released 2019-20 Upper Deck Premier. Today is also the release of the World Juniors Hobby Box product, so I won't be able to do it the World Juniors today, maybe next week. But this is the first time ever I'm going to be opening Upper Deck Premier. This is one of the best high-end product of the year, so I'm really excited to see what we can get. I also got two one touch in case we hit something very good or a patch or something. So let's open the box and see what super cool card we can get. All right. Very sad that Max Domi left the Montreal Canadiens, or like he got traded. Really sad about it, but whatever, you know. So very nice packaging. Gotta be careful here. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna put it here. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna take the scissors. So this is how it looks inside. It looks pretty good. I think we have a redemption, it looks like it. But there's 6 cards per pack. And yeah, so let's go. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start with the back. We have a nice Brent Burns Premier jersey. Not numbered. Very cool. We have a rookie card Premier swatches of Alexander Texier, numbered out of 999. Really cool. Okay, now we're going to go with the first 2 cards. These 2 cards that I just pulled were from the back. So we have a base rookie of Jesper Bokvist, numbered out of 299, as you can see. Really nice. Alright, our first card is a Mark Scheifele base, numbered out of 199. So we have 2 cards left, or 3 cards. But it says 6 cards per pack, and I already have 2 base cards. Alright, we have a super nice... Oh my god, Austin Matthews again! Oh my gosh. Austin Matthews pursuing greatness. Signatures out of 10. Holy crap. Wow. Second Austin Matthews card autograph we hit this year. Just gonna put the thick card here. Wow. Unbelievable. This is unreal. Second Austin Matthews card, and this one is number out of 10. This is such a sick card. Wow. Very nice. And I see that we have 7 cards instead of 6. So we have a Premier autograph base of Anders Lee with the New York Islanders. Wow, so this was supposed to be our 6th card. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, yeah, 4 here. This is number 5. And the Austin Matthews is number 6. So we have a very thick card still in the box. And the card is... Oh, nice! Matt Roy, 3-color patch autograph of the Los Angeles Kings. Numbered out of 49. Wow. Super, super nice card of Matt Roy with the LA Kings. Wow, I'm super, super happy with this card. Not the best card you can get, but with the Matthews, it like saves the break. I don't think it's gonna fit in this one, so I'm gonna have to go get another patch. I mean, another one touch. But this is super nice. Wow. So let's recap the hits. Brent Burns, jersey. We have Mark Scheifele base card. We have a Jesper Bokvist rookie card, a base. We have a nice rookie jersey of Alexander Texier, number out of 99. We have Anders Lee autograph base. We have super nice Austin Matthews, numbered out of 10. And this very, very nice 3-color patch autograph out of 49 of Matt Roy. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget the OPG Platinum giveaway. Hopefully next week I'm going to do it. So, thank you. Peace.